So, bugungi darsning teksti o'sha tugida, hamda sorry, so'zlik tugida, hamda tekst kelaylik. Alright, hamda bu tekstni boshlashdan burun sizlar shu tekstningki bir nimasini aytsanlar, karton film bor. O'shani qisqani ko'rgandan keyin hamdan ana qilinglar. Hamdan tekstimiz kelaylik. Okay, hamma diqqat qiling.
And meet our employees, Mr. Richards.
Thank you, Mr. Jackson.
This is Nicola Gray. And this is Claire Taylor.
How do you do? Those women are very hard working. What are their jobs?
They're keyboard operators. This is Michael Baker. And this is Jeremy Short.
How do you do? They aren't very busy. What are their jobs?
They're sales reps. They're very lazy.
Who is this young man?
This is Jim. He's our office assistant.
Alright, amsa qaranglar, sağlaşlar tekstimiz keldik. Birinci cümleni deb tursanlar, how do you do? Okay, how do you do? Hamda bu shu tekstimizningki temasi how do you do? Xo'sh, anaqda how do you do degan nima degan gap? How degan qandoq degan gap? Do deganimiz yordamchi bo'lmaydi. Buni kerak o'yinimiz. Okay, you siz do hamda men ikkinchisi nima aytsangiz qilmoq. Demakchi, how do you do? Demakchi, sizning qilayotganingiz qanday? Demakchi, bu ahvolingiz qanday degan gap, ahvol so'raysiz. Arada ahvol so'raysiz, ya'ni nima deb deydi? How are you deb bo'lgan gap, shunami? How are you nima aytsanlar, ahvolingiz qanday degan gap. Endi men yerga how do you do bilan how are you ningki farqi nima desanlar, how do you do deganimiz ko'pincha sizlar tunji qatim ma'lum birisi yoki birisi bilan ko'rishganda how do you do deb ishlatamiz. How do you do? Tunji qatim ko'rishganda nima deymiz? How do you do? Okay, how do you do? And buning javoban hamda nima deymiz? How do you do desa, how do you do deb javob qaytaramiz. Xuddi good morning desa good morning, good afternoon desa good afternoon, good evening desa good evening degandek. Demak hamda men how do you do deb desa how do you do deb javob qaytaraman. Okay, first go ahead. Like come and meet our employees, Mr. Richards. Xo'sh, hamda come and meet. Nima shunday and deganni ishildiradi. Biz oldingi soatlik darsimizda mana degan to'q, hamda bu and ikki buyruq jumlani birisi bog'lashtiradi. Buning o'rniga to'ni qo'yishga bo'lmaydi degan. Okay. Buyruq jumla degan nima? Masalan, o'tiring, qo'pang, anglang, nima? Arada buyruq jumlalar you shirin keladi. You stand up. You listen. Demaymiz nima? You shirin keladi. Shunga you come. You meet demaymiz bu yerda. Shunga nima come. Okay, come here bir jumla shunami? Meet our employees, bizning xodimlar bilan bir ko'rishing degan yana bir jumla. Demak, endi ikki shu buyruq jumla qitilganda ikkisini bir aqlam demoqchi bo'lsak, o'ttirga and deganni qatimiz. Bildingmi bolalar? And deganni qatimiz. Come and meet our employees. And bu yerda ham va bilan degan gap. Come, keling. Bizning xizmatchilar bilan bir ko'rishing. Richard apandim degan gap. Mr. degan o'rnini qo'llashni, Mr. apandim degan gap. Come and meet our employees, Mr. Richard. Voy keling, bizningki xodimlar bilan ko'rishing, Richard apandim deb. Shunda ichirib ko'rsatishni. Okay, this thank you, Mr. Jackson. Rahmat sizga Jackson apandim. Chunki hamda u taklif qildingizmi? Taklif qilgan ekan nima deyish kerak ham deyadi, rahmat deyish kerak. Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Thank you, Mr. Jackson. Demak, hamda shunga o'xshash hamda deymiz, come and meet our employees. Hamda paqanglar bolalar, keling hamda bizning muallim bilan ko'rishing degan nima deymiz? Come and meet our teacher, Mr. Richards. Shunami? Bizning muallim bilan bir ko'rishing. Endi bu yerga our degan bizning degan gap. Egilik qo'shimchasi. Bizning. Hamda mening demoqchi bo'lsak-chi, my. Shunami? My. Agar er kishi bo'lib qolsa, uning desakchi, his. Okay, agar qizlar bo'lib qolsa, her, uning degan gap. Tushunami? Demakchi bizning employees. Demakchi bizning degani our employees degan bizning xizmatchilar. Xo'sh, endi debdi, uning degan. Okay. This is Nicola Gray and this is Claire Taylor. Okay. And the bu bo'lsa Nicola Gray and bu yoq bo'lsa nima Claire Taylor. Aniqda bu yoq bo'lsa demakchi, bu biz odamlarni tanishtirganda biz oldingi soatlik darsimizda this is deganimiz nima desam, bu yoq bo'lsa. This degan bu degan gap bo'ladi. Demak bu yoq bo'lsa degan gap bo'ladi. Demak sizlar bu shu birisini haftaning birisiga tanishtirmoqchi bo'lsangiz, shu this is ni ishlatamiz. This is Nicola Gray and this is Claire Taylor. Bu yoq nima Claire Taylor. And just savdoshlar bu shu ismni qiynalsizlar. Nima Nicola Gray. Nicola Gray. Yana birisi, this is Claire Taylor. Okay, and the Claire Taylor. Claire Taylor deganimiz umumiy odamning ismi. Demakchi, ikki xon qizni tanishtirib tushunami? Okay. Ondan ikkinchi, how do you do? Okay, how do you do? And nima desam, tunji qarab kelishgan salomlashgan how do you do deb tushunami? Tunji qarab how do you do desam, how do you do deymiz tushunami? Those women are very hard working. Nima those women. Those women. And those deganimiz ovular degan gap. And ovu deb bir tal narsani nima deymiz? That. Ovular bo'lsa those. Demakchi those women avu ayollar are bo'lsa very hard working. Avu ayollar entayin tirishchan. Those women are very hard working. Very hard working. What are their jobs? And biz ilgari what is your job? What is his job? Nugangan shunami? Birlikka uning xizmati nima? Sizning xizmatingiz nima degandek. Hamda ularning xizmati nima bo'lsa, hamda bu yer ularning degani their jobs. And their job demaymiz, jiqballa their job deb qo'yib ularning xizmati. Uyg'ur tilida aytgan ularning xizmati, hargiz ularning xizmatlari deb ketmaymiz-ku, diqqat qilmaymiz. Lekin ingliz tilida intay diqqat qildim shunga. Their jobs. Masalan, their jobs are keyboard operators. And the one I say their jobs are keyboard operators. And ularning xizmatlari bo'lsa, kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimlari. And their jobs are keyboard operators. Okay? And ularning xizmatlari nima desam, what are their jobs? Demak, so'lgan are their jobs keyboard operator? And keyboard operator the one what nalamolashtirsak, ishdan oldiga o'tganlar what are their jobs? Ularning xizmatlari nima? Ularning xizmatlari nima? Degandek. What are their jobs? Desam nima desam, they are keyboard operators. Ular bo'lsa kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimlari. Endi boshdan cho'qim oldi keyini birdeklik. They are they degan ko'plik, men keyboard operators mi cho'qim qanday ko'plik shakli bo'lishi kerak. They are keyboard operators. Ular kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimlari. Tushunami? Okay. And u was kompyuter mashg'ulot xodimi bo'lsa, he is a keyboard operator. He is a keyboard operator. And this is Michael Baker and this is Jeremy Short. And bu yoq bo'lsa Michael Baker. Michael Baker deb o'qiymiz jumaval. Bu yoq bo'lsa Michael Baker and this is Jeremy Short. Yana bir e'lon bo'lsa nima desam, Jeremy Short. Bu yoq bo'lsa Jeremy Short. Jeremy Short. Okay. They aren't very busy. Okay, nima? They aren't. They are very busy bo'lsa, ular bek oldirashgan. And they aren't very busy. Ular ancha oldirash emaskan. Tushunami? They aren't very busy. What are their jobs? Ularning xizmatlari nima? Desa, nima debdi? They are sales reps. And the sales rep deganimiz hamda bir odamni ko'rsatdi. Tushunami? U degan tanishtirib mol sotuvchi. Hamda ular tanishtirib mol sotuvchilar bo'lgandan keyin they are sales reps. And they are mashqisdan qisqartirilmasa they are. They are sales reps. Tushunami? They are sales reps. Okay? They aren't very lazy. Oh, sorry. They are very lazy. Ular bo'lsa intayin qanday o'rin. O'rin degan neyimiz bolalar lazy. And they are very lazy. They are very lazy. Okay, ular bek o'rinmi bo'lsa are they very lazy? Nima? How is this young man? Okay, how is this young man? And bu yosh yigit chimi dedi. How is this? How is this chimi bu? Young man. Young degan yosh man degan adam. How is this young man? Ay bu yosh yigit chimi zade? How is this young man? So, she is this is Jim. Buyak bolsa Jim. He is our office assistant. And the office assistant degan ishxona yordamchisi shundan bola. He is our office assistant. He is our office assistant. O bolsa bizniki ishxona yordamchimiz. Demek hamda bu shu tekstda hamdan muhim bo'lgan narsani va keling ko'rishing, uni degan odamlarni tanishtirish uchun ham ularning xizmatlarini, masalan, keyboard operators, office assistant degandek. Xo'sh, chamsa, bugungi darsimizniki language focus qaranglar. Okay, hamda bugungi darsimizda intayin muhim bo'lgan nuqtalarni how do you do? Abayim bir qator tilg'ab bo'ldik. Endi how do you do degan nimalarni bo'labmi? Tunji qatim ko'rishganda okay, tunji qatim ko'rishganda shu how do you do ni ishlatamiz. Bo'labmi masalan, uchinchi bir odam sizlarni boshqa birisiga tanishtirganda bir shu nihoyatda adab yuzidan hamda how do you do deb so'raymiz. Undan keyinchi qanday salomlashamiz desanglar, masalan hello, how are you? How do you do? Okay, what's up? Desanglar bo'ldi. Bizangniki amaliy ahvol qarabchi. Masalan, ha Mike, this is my teacher Jim. Okay, how do you do? Okay, how do you do? And bunga javob qaytaganda nima deysan? How do you do? How do you do? Okay, deydi gap. How do you do? This how do you do? Sama. Okay, and undan keyin nima deysan? Is the young man an office assistant? Okay. Oh, yosh yigit hamda ishxona yordamchisimi? Shunami? Yes, he is. And the no bo'lsa no, he is not. Okay, no, he is not. Demakchi he isn't deymiz, ha? Okay, and the birlik shakli is the young man an office assistant. Okay. And are the two men very lazy? And the yerga men ko'plik bo'lsa, ma ega o'zgartirib yozsak, demak are the two men very lazy? And the bo'sh sebek o'rinmi? Shunami? Yes, they are. No, they aren't. Demak hamda ko'plikka ham shu ular deganda nima desam, they ni ishlatamiz. Agar birlik bo'lib qolsa, ana o'xshash he ni ishlatgan gap. Masalan, is the young man an office assistant? Yes, he is. No, he is not. And are the two men very lazy? And the mashikka deb ko'plik shunami? Ko'plikka they ni ishlatamiz. Yes, they are. And no bo'lsa, no, they are not. Okay, and the miyarika what? Okay, and shu what almashgan alohida savol jumla. Txshu yemin shunami? Masalan, this is a pen. Is this a pen? Okay, and the shu pen ning o'rniga what ni almashtirib bersak nima bo'ladi desanglar? What is this? Okay, what is this? Bu nima bo'ladi desanglar? What is this? Okay, and the misharika shuning o'xshash, masalan, his job is a teacher, his job is a worker. Uning xizmati bo'lsa nima desanglar? Bir ishchi. And bu savolga aylansak, u ishchimi? His job a worker? Okay, and the misharika what is his job? And the worker ni o'rniga what ni almashtirib bersak, bu alohida bir savol jumlaga aylanadi. And the masalan, is his job a worker deganimiz oddiy savol jumla. Arada yemin deb qo'yamiz-ku. And the txshu yemin jo'g'alantirish uchun shu what shu almashtirni shu maxs shu so'zning o'rniga almashtirib bersak nima deysanlar? What is his job? Okay, what is his job? What is his job? Okay, shu bugungi darsimizning asos mazmunlari tugab qoldi. Asoslashlar agar aniq tushunmagan bo'lsanglar, bizniki gapniki ovoz qaytarishlar foydalanib sizlar shu savol so'rasanglar, yoki bo'lmasa, qanday desanglar bizniki undidor sog'liqni qaytarib, yoki meniki shu undidorimni qaytarib, bu mendan so'rasanglar bo'ldi. Qanday desanglar, qattiq tushunmagan bo'lsa, cho'qim bizni g'oyadan so'ranglar. Biz sizlarga cho'qim qanoatlanarlik, eng yaxshi javob berishga tirishamiz. All right, That's all for today, and see you next time. Goodbye.